In this video, you'll learn how to create an Envato account from scratch. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your account and be ready to access Envato services. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Envato website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the home page loads completely, look for the sign up option located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this option to initiate the account creation process. A stable internet connection is essential at this stage to ensure a smooth experience. Next, you will be directed to a registration form. Here, fill in the required fields with accurate information, including your email address, desired username, and a strong password. It is important to create a secure password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Make sure the email you provide is valid, as it will be used for account verification. After entering your details, double check to ensure everything is correct before proceeding to the next step. Once you are satisfied with the information entered, submit the form. After submission, you will need to check your email inbox for a verification message from Envato. This email should arrive shortly after your registration. If you do not see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as verification emails can sometimes be filtered there. When you find the verification message, open it and locate the link provided within. Click on this link to activate your account. This action confirms your identity and completes the registration process. After clicking the link, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been successfully activated. Now that your account is verified, you can return to the Envato website and log in using the username and password you created earlier. Your account is now fully set up and ready for use, allowing you to explore and take advantage of the various services offered by Envato. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.